Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to use a smartphone as a remote control for your XIAOMI A Pro TV. First, grab your smartphone and open the Google Home application. If it's an Android smartphone, you probably have it pre-installed in the Google subfolder on your home screen. If not, you can download it from the Google Play Store. You can also download it on iPhones. Let's search for Home. Open Google Home and install this application. Wait until it is installed, then open it and give it all the permissions. Select your Google account. Tap OK and turn on your Bluetooth. Tap Next. Allow location permission and make sure your TV and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then go to All Devices list. Find your XIAOMI TV in here. If you can't find it, don't worry. Just tap the plus icon in the top right corner, select Device, search for device, and let your smartphone find your TV nearby. Make sure both devices are close to each other. Eventually you'll find your XIAOMI TV on the list and be able to select it on All Devices menu. Then select Open Remote. Wait until it loads. Enter the code that you see on your TV screen. Stop there and start using your smartphone as a remote control. As you can see, we have the home button, sound controls, voice assistant, and back. We can also turn the TV on or off using the power button. To navigate, use this trackpad. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.